Okay, question 51. We have another data interpretation or graph interpretation question here, and let's read the scenario and then we'll figure out from the answer choices. The bar graph shows the average daily high temperature at Point Henry each month for the year 2003. So we have average daily highs for each month, and that shows up the y coordinate, what those highs were, and then each month is listed down at the bottom. So they want to know which of these statements is false. Let's get our highlighter out here. So we need to read a statement and then determine is that statement true or false based on the graph. And we'll pick the one that is false. So we're looking for the one when we read it, we say no, that's not true, that's false, and then that'll be our answer. So let's look. Answer choice A. During 6 of the months, the average daily high exceeded 60 degrees. Let's switch to a pen here so we can write on our graph. So 60 degrees is this line here. And so you should draw that line across on your test also. And during 6 of the months, the average exceeded 60. So is that a true or false statement? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So during 6 of the months, so that is a true statement. I'll put a little T right here for true. So that's true. And we're looking for a false statement, remember. Okay. B, the average daily high for the entire year exceeded 80 degrees. Well, that means that we would somehow have to average out the entire year to be higher, or excuse me, to be 80 degrees. So we'll draw a line where 80 degrees is. So that means by averaging it, and it needs to exceed 80 degrees. So that means we'd have some months that would have to be markedly higher than 80 degrees to balance out months that are markedly lower than 80 degrees, or a lot higher and a lot lower. We only have one month, this month here, where the temperature was above 80 degrees and only slightly above 80, not even up to 90 degrees. So that's not enough to average out all of these lower temperature months such as February where it's below 40. So it appears as though that is a false statement. We'll look at C and D just to be sure. The average daily high for August was higher than for July. So we find August. August high is here, and that is our August high, and July was here. So August was higher than July, and so that is a true statement. And then and D is the average daily high for March exceeded 60 degrees. So we find March, January, February, March. March is here. We had marked 60 degrees earlier, and in fact, it is higher than 60 degrees, so that is a true statement. So answer choice B was the only false statement that we had regarding the graph.